This one sold quickly, but if you're seeing this video, we still have plenty of buyers looking to buy in your area.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you think you're doing? That's my line. I'm the guy, I do the power walk. Everybody loves it.
Sorry, bud, but things are changing around here. The RealAbundance team is growing.
Yeah, I know, but I just thought my videos were doing so well with the algorithm and everything.
I guess our social media team thought it would be a good idea to mix things up.
But
sorry.
Whatever, I don't want to be in this stupid video anyway. Algorithm doesn't know what it's talking about.
Seriously though, the market is shifting and who you choose to help you sell your home is more important than ever.
Please reach out or click the link below. I would love the opportunity to show you how I am consistently selling houses for record-breaking numbers and keeping the process smooth and simple for my clients. Anyone can list your home, but it's important to ask your agent what they're going to do for you. Here's a small list of the services that we provide in order to achieve these magnificent results. Selling is a numbers game. The more people we can get exposed to your listing and attracted to this property, the more showings we'll get. More showings equals more offers equals a higher sold price and a happier you. First, we're going to consider any improvements or repairs we need to do to your house to make it really show its best. I have an in-house handy person who can help with any of the smaller projects, along with an extensive network of tradespeople and contractors who can help with larger renovations. Next, our professional home stagers come and give us a consultation. You've probably heard that on average, a staged house can sell for up to 17% higher than one that isn't. So our staging experts are going to advise us on anything from a light decor all the way to a full house staging, furniture, and all. Along with staging, we want the house to be sparkling. So again, my cleaners are going to take care of that so you don't have to. Now it's time for our photographers and videographers to do their thing. For most potential buyers, their first introduction to your house is going to be on the internet through pictures and videos. For this reason, we go all out on providing incredible, eye-catching media to draw in the eyeballs. And then we take these amazing visuals and we create an online advertising campaign to promote the listing to the areas most likely to be interested in moving to your neighborhood, and of course, to bring the highest and best offer. If you're considering selling, I would love the opportunity to show you how I can help sell your house quickly, easily, and of course, for highest and best dollar. Please give me a call, text message, or click the link below for more information. Till next time.